unbox my MacBook Air with me. Oh my gosh, I have been waiting for this for so long. I have a 2020 MacBook Air and you know what? It is just not cutting it anymore. It is so slow. So I went out and bought myself a brand new one. I cannot wait. This is the Starlight color. Didn't like any of the other colors that much, but here we are. So come and unbox it with me. I'm gonna do it this way so you guys can see. I'm gonna put this up. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty this thing is. Wowzers, wowzers. Okay, this is actually amazing. Let's take this off. This is the shot you guys want to see. Whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely stunning. And you know what? It is so light. Holy moly, this is incredible. Okay, we're gonna open it up and let's see. Wow. You guys, oh, makes a noise already. This trackpad, the trackpad on my old MacBook Air is broken, so I'm really excited to have a trackpad again. It means I don't have to carry a mouse around with me when I go traveling. This is, oh, how awesome. Anyway, this is great. Such a beautiful laptop. Let's see what it comes with in the box. I'm gonna leave that there. Comes with instructions and all that jazz there. Your regular wall plug charger. Now this actually has two USB-Cs on it, which is super duper helpful. The difference between this and the old MacBook Air is this is actually mag-safe, so the charger is mag-safe. Like if you had a old MacBook, then it would be there rather than USB-C plug-in. So this is pretty cool, and I actually like that this cord has a bit of texture to it, like it's not the plain white one, so I think this is going to last a lot longer than the other cords, because all of my MacBook cords are starting to peel and not do very well, especially throwing them in bags and that kind of thing. So oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I love this like round bit here for the Touch ID on here. The keys feel amazing. Oh my gosh, so good. And this trackpad, awesome. Absolutely love it. Cannot wait to get it all set up. And honestly, this is this is so cool. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Oh my gosh, she's talking to me already. Anyway, I cannot recommend this enough. Go and get yourself a new MacBook Air. Great for traveling, great for all the things. Highly recommend it. Go and get yourself one.